How's it going, guys? I'm Theo Geo, and today we've got 15 amazing tech life hacks that are going to completely change your life for the better. 100% very serious. You can tell because it says so right in the title, and I'm wearing a tie. Some of these I came up with myself, and others I have discovered over the years on the internet, so they obviously must be true. So you better strap in and be ready. Let's just get through these rapid fire. Starting off with number one, obviously charging your phone is annoying. You have to do it every single day. So if you don't want to have to do that anymore, all you have to do is do what I do, which is instead go to the Apple Store every single day and just get your battery replaced completely. And if you want to save even more time, what you can do instead is just order a new iPhone every single day and have it delivered to your house daily. And of course, if you do happen to still run out of battery one day, it's always good to have a backup sealed phone still in the box, ready to go, so you can use that one if your current phone battery runs out. Okay, life hack number two. Have you ever wanted to easily transfer a file from one computer to another? What you do is right-click on the file and hit copy, and then unplug the mouse. Then plug it into the computer you do want to copy it to, and then right-click it, hit paste, and it will paste the file from the mouse. Way easier than trying to email the file to yourself or find a thumb drive that you can never locate. Number three, did you know that most iPhones and Android phones have the same exact bug that's never been patched? You see, a lot of these phones are not able to charge past 100%. They just max out there and stop charging. So if your phone does this, which it probably does, be sure to contact the manufacturer and hopefully get either a complete refund or a replacement device that doesn't have this bug. Number four, do you need to charge your phone very quickly but you don't have the time? What you do is plug in your phone and then set the date and time forward, maybe about 6 hours. And then the phone will think that it's been charging that long, so the battery will be completely full when you unplug it. Life hack number five is for your computer. Whenever you get a new computer, you should always try and get as many viruses and download as many viruses onto it as possible so it builds up its immune system right when you get it. That way, it'll be more resistant to viruses in the future. All right, before we continue on to the rest of these amazing, outstanding life hacks, I obviously have to do a shameless plug for my Instagram account. If you haven't followed me on there, you're going to be instantly depressed when you see what you've been missing out on. It has the most amazing, hilarious tech jokes you can possibly imagine. It's won the Nobel Prize in comedy every single year for the past 100 years. So definitely check it out and follow me on there. It's just at TheoJoe over on Instagram. All right, so let's continue, and we're on to number six, which is one of my favorites. Now, if you want to ever get an iPad or a tablet, but you can't quite afford it, all you have to do is hold your phone closer to your face. It will look bigger. Number seven, if you're ever writing a Word document and you notice the file size is getting too big and you're running out of space on your hard drive, what you should do is reduce the font size of the text in the document. That will reduce the file size as well, giving you much more free space. All right, on to number eight. The next time you buy a new computer and you're not sure what to do with the old one and you want to get rid of it, what you can do is find the My Computer shortcut icon on your computer's desktop. Then right-click and delete that, and your computer will disappear. Number nine is a great life hack for your phone. Have you ever gotten a phone call from someone and you're not really sure if you want to talk to them? Simply answer and immediately tell them that your phone is about to run out of battery. That way, you can simply hang up on them at any point. Number 10, do you have wireless earbuds and you're worried about losing them? What you can do is simply get some string and attach it to the earbuds and then attach that to the phone, so that way they'll be connected to the phone and you're not going to lose them. All right, number 11, this one's probably pretty relatable. Have you ever gone outside and it's been very bright out and you forgot your sunglasses and it's hard to see? What you can do is next time take a picture of a dark room. Then you can use that picture and shine darkness on anything around you to darken things up a bit. Number 12, if you're worried about losing all your phone's data, but you don't want to pay extra every single month for cloud storage, what you can do instead is use a Chinese brand phone. If you ever lose or break your phone, you can be sure that the Chinese government will have a backup of all your data that you can request and use to restore everything. Number 13, have you ever lost your wallet or you're not sure where you put it around the house? What you can do is try calling it and listening for it to ring. All right, we got a couple more. Number 14, if you find that your laptop or phone or other device runs out of battery too quickly, what you can do is keep them turned off. You see, your device's battery will not drain if it's off. And finally, life hack number 15. If you have cash that you want to deposit in your bank account, but you don't want to drive all the way to the bank or the ATM, what you can do instead is use your bank's mobile deposit app to take a picture of the cash dollar bills, and it will be deposited into your account. After you confirm the cash has been successfully deposited, the bill is now worthless, so you can safely shred it so no one else can get it. So hopefully you found these amazing tech life hacks very useful. Let me know down in the comments which was your favorite, or if you have any of your own. If you want to keep watching, another 100% very serious video you can watch is talking about how to get free money from the Federal Reserve's money printer. I'll put that link right here you can click on if you want to watch that. So thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.